This was always a part of the jigsaw that we couldn't quite get in the podcast. Where was she getting her money? Because she didn't really work. Any jobs she had were low-paid jobs like au pairs or nannies. And so it just wasn't clear. Like, we always suspected that there was some kind of fraud. She was very good at getting false documentation. She came to Ireland on a false passport in the name of a real woman, Georgia McAuliffe, who had had her identity stolen. The guards found a credit card and she'd spent thousands on that credit card. So we knew that she was really good at stealing identities, but we just weren't sure where she was getting the money. And she was also, you know, she was paying for flights around the world and, you know, at times sort of really flashing the cash with people. So it was a mystery. So this, I suppose, it does kind of confirm that, you know, if she was getting $30,000 from this one particular fraud, how much...
You said she had up to 100 identities at one point?
Exactly.
Do the
So
maths,
you do
my
the maths,
goodness.
exactly.